Endi musese kangu vauchengi tumini ya kilungu kila kitialite ndini wa kilungu cha uiti na daktari nenda twosele ni wasakana be meja kwitha libido yi lo yi meja ngite serious ite meja
exactly yeah
kwa tuelese iba thokanywe cha
pedha kipano kimwe nondo pe mundu mo sethe ndaungama ato at all time kuma kwa chamba ka kwitho chuma kimwe mayumwe it has completely finished that's serious irrespective of the age lakini if you are 90 or 8 that's okay that's normal lakini we around 60 70 are supposed to be normal because they are nukungama at least after some time kana when that age ya kungama na ilete the serious ni edwa nukungama na wathe kuma na mundu muka we wa mituke be utona mba be ja mundu ome that is serious na wizagwe there what we kila kuna no kindu nini now na yo muitile ni kipathokanyo nondo embwa you are flat muno ta mundu ome below 50 na we flat na ndungama ato is a major and a big one nondo of course more omenge by that time that matwanite now say that there's pe stress ndino wa mutwano kwako na kwa nini na chaka na mundu methwa stressed muno na omenge methwa muno that your wife is complaining and real complaining nondo I remember there's one couple where the husband was brought by the wife that's not very good no kisa ya dokitwa uvosewa when of course au mengi medical that issue nondo mundu mdanda believe kana he cannot perform that's natural kwa it's good to understand especially kwa mtu anone no sio muka understand na no sio kisa ni maele ni mundu muka kana mundu ume ni waelewa pina wa mundu muka wake obiketa pa na mundu ume na mundu muka na manda pina mundu ume obiketa pa tukaambia quick stress itebo no stress itebo is not very good na if it is too much na nanda kwetha na mwana of course you have to follow kana with that ni mwateteka muno edwa mwina kana mwina kana kamwina mwenda kana kangi is ni betha pe maana muno na pe edwa wakomana mundu muka na nukungama no wa metoke na ndumya mbeo cha mundu ume now issue is another problem na issue ni isi nundu wa munanga na wananga mundu man ndawa mabala manini ni wakanesa something very important ni kana inda wa there ina ni na chane kusoka laingi nundu au mengi ni kila na matabia makambia daktari baitho wonge kana iseda endo janda wemwe na imutaithia muno chitanda hapo kubita kana ina na chitha muno ila chitha semana no ile ila ya kungalibina mundu umeto ita mautumaka na fertilize is the men na muno ni tetha ya au mela mendo cia mana within very short time mbeo cia kunjoka na sana bina wa kujoka na sana no become quite normal now pethi no ke utetha withina na uyu ni si au mengi ni makulitia ukeza we mina mitoke ujuti thina embwanu kama no imina that's enough no say that's enough na that one is a different day for a different topic it our early ejaculation very common in men lakini usiwe that withina embwanu kama anondo na kumambia za mundu ome you are okay na that's thina embwa when do take 2 hours that's a different story and there is way which you can be able to do that which is very different which is not within the normal health issues nondo the issue la ipo nondo na kungama onda kumbe ya mundu that is adequate kwa mela thina wa libido we can be able to assist them na kana usani ni matataka kwa haka is very rare lakini kwa haka is very easy nondo mundu muka edwa na libido embwa omo chake sibo na muno na kala mekiwe itawa hysterectomy ila womiwe ovaries yake ila uterus zake za umiwe ala na fibroids na mauma uterus na tumaniwa imwe na ovaries mundu muka become dry ukasaidia ola libido yake ni athea na nundu ni woma ovaries nizio i actiata testis kwa mundu muka na mundu muka la woma kuma ovaries yake dedwa adena libido ato kana akala maethiwe na cancer of the breast pia amwe mane wanda wa imwe wiza kwithia the ovaries ni cia thalapina withia then libido muno ala mena cancer of the breast imethwa na that problem lakini kwa mundu muka wa munenga ndawa for I become okay very fast methwa na thina muno lakini aume ku gain the libido because imutha ya mundu mene different ya mundu muka wiza kwithia difficult nundu ya mundu mene lazima yungame that's where the problem is Yeah.
Atuwa baundi okulia.
Yeah.
Nuithiwa issue ingi ukewa mundu umenda cia kana mbindi ciake ci mubuko ni umwe.
Oh yes.
That's
it our undescended testes. Which are kwithia mbindi ya mundu ume thini muno. Na isu tukuna abisa na tukazia ilenge thiva nundu embwana imwe no lazima tumanthe ilenge wala thi no suni thina witha wipo na ino nete kwinge muno kwa mundu ume ena mbindi imwe lakini mbindi imwe ni tocha ndi lazima ute na mbindi ile kwa kusaida kana kwa libido na muno kila titho atita concern embwa mbindi su wina mbindi imwe ni lazima tumanthe ilenge wala thi nundu ilenge wala thi itwika cancer tene muno wala thi nundu tha thibithite thini webu athibitha thini webu mbindi cia mundu mecizwa cie baya nthi ni kana wicithia cina low temperature tha thibu nundu high temperature temperature icu ni tuma mbindi ya mundu ume wica kwithia ni ya become cancerous na ito neta andu ingi muno wicithia una mbindi imwe na when you are normal na nduke lakini ile ngi tukisemia ya become cancer thini webu
ko ni mathoweka umwe
ni mathoweka umwe
aya pe kesi ingi utonya kuigwa mundu ndacia kana kala ukese kwithia ndizini kiele cia ndinda kitali this is mbindi yelo likabai kwa thithani kenda yuta kweka takuo bibia ikauma kwithia be mwe uma nenge atiwa
right very important weza ndi na mina kwaja ni kana mbindi cia mundu mecizithwa nthi cinza wa mwe ni kana si kwa kwate obubu mwingi nundu cienza wa mwezi kwa obubu mwingi nicho kitu sometimes quick yangwa ya ni very tight is not nundu it tight nundu high temperature ni tuma mundu ume uta produce enough sperms high temperature nicho kitu saingi ithera na yambata ila kuthithu isiambata ila kwa biba ni ithera and that's normal na saingi ciambata ni ciambata ikalike bundini nundu cia silele ciuma bundini nena calike bundini ni chokitumi au mengi wita kwithia mbindi tho thatiwe bwe bundini na thikala bu ne ithera kuila ila no there no ila wote there pe mut utemi wanesa no se manthe pala thi nundu pala gathi ni kuthio cause another problem itawa undescended testes ithia pandu bao there ithera ikala baulu na that muno kwatu mwana muno no cio ta kana kacia kakabisi no cio kakwata kwa mathana cie bundini no cibandi nundu pe ase ingi muno ithia kamwana kena thina kwa mbindi yako thiibo lakini ndo amanawe no cio kakwata mana imbindi ciibo nundu thiba ibu ni eta cancer kwa ciana kwa tumwana yes by the time is 5 years we say that can come back with an cancer testis nundu mbindi yako thikalaibu ya the abandi yes
aya tucoke ngalikoni ya katunene fibroids
fibroids right that's a quite common problem nundu they not know one almost every day na fibroid akaingi by the time you are 30 years you have a fibroids almost 75% of ladies fibroids nyingi sithwa nini sithwa ciana ta thoko mindu thoko kana ikethwa ciana ta mboco kana ta mbemba isu cinenga muno kathina almost 75% kwa kamethwa na fibroids nowadays kwa fibroids are common problem kwa kila mundu muka kwa both alama chaite alama chaite ithwa kwa wingi kwa alama chaite methwa na fibroids nyingi muno na ndizi niki fibroids endete akala brown jama nanike I don't know why kuwe mujeza weitu na we brown you have high rates of getting fibroids I don't know why ndizi niki na the fibroids ni only 10% kati wa aka 10 no umwe withwa na thina wa fibroids 10 mena fibroids lakini no umwe withwa na thina na fibroids ni si become a cancer by the way they are not cancerous they are benign swellings of the uterus benign swelling of the uterus kana leiomyomas na leiomyoma kana fibroids ni sieta thina ethwa mundu muka ni wambia kwithwa akiua nundu mundu ena fibroids mundu ka ena fibroids awa muno apart from ilanda kamera moi awa throughout na ngaingi mathera ndakame kathia mundu muka yuka cooperative ane uwite muno na nundu wa fibroids ni fibroids na tapika bubu ni moto operate ya tukaumia the uterus na tuyumia the uterus na cervix tuyumia the fibroids nundu umia mundu ka tuyumia the ovaries tuyumia the uterus zothe nundu weza kwitha lazima tumia now no last minute difference papa either wina fibroids na noenda kusia weza pe fibroids is either wina sio noenda kusia lakini ndu itaba is a cause of infertility fibroids njo na inacha kana either wina ila tanene monora chacha embwa wina ndu siaite no lazima tumane wa mwana kana uterus kuthira ndu wina fibroids totona kusia totona ku conceive onwa conceive totona ku maintain the kana igila wa waitaba ibwe yuma waitaba ibwe yuma ndu wa fibroids na ndu andala mena fibroids ano kwenda kusia tuyuma cia uterus tumacha fibroids ida mammectomy tukita kumya nondu fibroids ito agwana lu kana igwana tambemba tukumya sionde tukumya all the fibroids that idia the uterus there kaza ndu tona kusia kana nda ku conceive nonda nakuta tamina kumya the uterus tona kusia na tona conceive nondu uzune uza ibuza kwa mwana ito pala peto the fibroids ku fibroids na ila wina fibroids nondu akainge medo na fibroids from the age of 35 years na hizo become serious kana 50 years 45 years fibroids wina sio na nokuwa muno and you are bleeding too much na ibuya kunene ubana tawe muito ni the only way ni cooperate nini sipe daktari cia baute cia ika shrink kana ikadala aje fibroids itala sikita kuthisianite sianite lakini wa miaka 55 kana 60 nisi ka kwiana lakini wena miaka tamula adamu kana fibroids mena miaka 30 inena ba mituke nokese akaingi ne lazima ma operate wa na je kimena kana kule kwata mwana after 35 years twende nambe uyendo kwata petho ana thina nundu tona kuda wina fibroids na ekakwetho na sindu ila ingi wina fibroids lazima kunenga thina muno nundu lazima tumie fibroids na tumane kana yana ta na fibroids thiba ku wa fibroids within we po na ni mwingi muno nundu I think almost every day na mu wina fibroids muno nikathanga usisia uterus amina kuma nundu daktari ingi mamina kuma the uterus mo katukasija nundu Tirwatisi aimbete nondu wa fibroids ilati cancer kana aimbete nondu wa cancer in the uterus nondu is all the presentation kana inde mundu wake wa no ndumwe ko no lazima tu confirm inondo fibroids kana T fibroids ko fibroids is common na muno is another cause ni kitumikingi tuma mundu otethwa na mwana which is very common na kwa kaingi ni kitumi sa ila tathima mundu muka ni tumutamaduma kana ni fibroids kana ni kitumikingi to ukota mwana na kitumi even sometimes tona mundu muka ena fibroids especially miaka 20 and kwa device ya siana ila kwa na mituke itana nene ba nondo pea ndo ingi muno tela ukwe kwa sisa kedha uyumwa mwana yuyu daktari kwa nafenda fibroids lakini ataenda kumia at that time saisi cha kumia mwana lakini no kwa device ya kwa wena fibroid ani nene mwana no cha kana kage cha atene itanambia kwa tena nundu na ya tena there is something you can do no last move the fibroids na saingu yuma the uterus kwa uterus no
pe mabinda mo wiga daktari asia etha mundu mukane muito okay we wakana ende yona kuwa mwana dokaumia mwana na tuyumia fibroids ko itonyeka
muno during the cesarean section the first important thing to mwana really do doctor go and remove the fibroids nondo wa umia taisu umundu monoka atona kuwa muno kute muno advice ninge but it depend ya balaze pe mu say that no uyeka sisa no umia fibroid lakini inge ni lazima umia sisa na ekalanga mwako kana miaka ile ayuma the fibroids yuyu ko it depends na kini but depend ya sianata nondo kizenda mundu moko mwe ena fibroids pa 50 imwe ni size za mbende za ndoko ingi ni ya lu ingi siana mutwe wonde gaza ya mundu akutokwete kana kange ingi uzaidi ya mundu akwete kilo 5 za fibroid 5 kilograms kana kaima
so twase fibroids ti kindu kimwe tutasi
ningi is really one see that saying ningi to me akaingi madana almost 75% teka ni to me wamino miaka 35 nusio kenga ultrasound ya pelvis ultrasound kwa mundu muka wamino miaka nikanausio ovaries yaku ninzio tubes yaku ninzio with a fibroid very important nundu wamina kwa ultrasound which is very cheap, of course not cheap, ni around 3,000 between 2,000 and 5,000 but depend with this hospital deba no sio kwa mbwe mundu muka nundu that's very important kila kisa muno kwa ultrasound kwa mundu muka ni kumana wina cyst cia ovary nundu akaingi mathana cyst kwa ovary
that was kilungu ni kila kingi nundu niona masama thela nenda tukitoka na pe makulu mengi tutana sungia ilua fibroids so tuvichabu na kilungu kila kingi tisungia makulu ya suba mwana cyst
sawa
neto ya mudia kwa musiaisi
kwa matana wesita kwa ila tukwambia kipindi cha monde enda wa Dr. Geoffrey Mutuma numete from Zambes Hospital South Sea na ningurikina thino wa Kemri alama ndongoni asimo yenda kula makulo nonzi pe makulo maingi muno ando mendo kulya namba ya kwa ila tumianga muno Safaricom ni 0722 801 299 noti monza ile na noti imwe ili kenda alwa kono kuna simu nongo ne simu nekana wisethia ni na tsungia makulo na tabia indi uile boda na fibroids kana ndo na bina wa mundu ome no kuno kwenda improvement akan ningo lazima ni wisethia na kwalesia lakini ando wengi mea muno ukaumbone uro na kwalesia ndi tani ni rona kukutethesha muno kila kingi na mbele kitumia muno Airtel ni 0734801299 noti monza itatu ina na noti mwe ili kenda no sio asante
naindi ni mubea muno no ipatia museisia wabikana kutetheka kuma na unene uo mundi naindi museisia mundi botu ubika muthia wa kilungu cha umundi cha uiti tukumana inge chumwani tukite na tukoselela wala vatiala kwa unduka ako se kilungu kila tukite nyeni to Faith Mackenzie wa Mutunga Tiwanesa.